¿Cómo están? Okay, how are you? So, I'm gonna do a video now about these seedlings I have. Video sobre estas plantas que tengo. Some of the leftovers of the Veggie Tower, lo que me sobró de cuando armamos la torre. I'm gonna post a link up there. Voy a poner un link al video, un enlace a ese video para que lo vean si que no lo han visto. So, I'm just gonna transplant these arugula plants. Voy a mover estas plantas de rúcula. This is dandelion. Maybe I'll let it grow a little bit more and then see what happens. Voy a dejar crecer un poco más este diente de león y ver lo que pasa. But for now, I'm just gonna transplant the arugula. And I'm gonna do it just hydroponically using the Kratky method. It's under method Kratky. I have 2 containers here. This is like this. This is 1.5 liter bottle of juice that I got. Está una botella de jugo que corté de 1,5 litros. And this, I can't remember what it is. Y este es Himalayan salt. So this is 40 ounces, which I have no idea how much is it. But this one is a little bit bigger, but it doesn't matter because I'm not comparing anything here. No importa que sea más grande o no, porque no estoy comparando nada acá. I just need to do something for these plants to not die. Okay, so net cap here. I'm gonna use these pieces of rock wool, esta pieza de lana de piedra, and clay pebbles. So I'm just gonna, las voy a sacar así nomás. Okay, we have one. Basically, we clean a little bit. Then we're gonna wash it anyway. La limpiamos un poco, pero después igual la vamos a lavar un poquitito. 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna put 2 per container. Voy a poner 2 per contenedor. I'm gonna wash this now. Okay. Ahí. And nice. It's not that simple, huh? We have one there. This one there. There we go. Now we'll try to get some of the root through here. There we go. We got at least some of it. We don't need to get them all, but poquitito ahí. Now some clay pebbles. Okay, that's probably enough. Añadimos los nutrientes ahora. just touching the bottom of the net. I'm gonna do this so the rock will get some of the nutrient solution, and basically the root starts growing there to cover it. There we go. Put the sock. Now, like this, like any transplant, esto como cualquier trasplante, the leaves should be a little bit droopy for the couple of first days. There we go. Ya, estamos listos, gracias. Chao, nos vemos. See you later. Thank you, bye.